Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Jaguar XJ, the X351 chassis, and how to clean your mass airflow sensors. On the X351, we have two mass airflow sensors, one on each side. We have one right here and one on the other side, which is right here. It is very easy to clean them and get to them. So there are two ways we can clean the sensor. One is to remove the whole air filter housing, like I did on that side. And then we spray the cleaner inside here. Or the other way is disconnecting the wire and removing these two screws. And these two are Torx T20. And then just pull it straight up and the sensor comes right out. So at this time you can clean your sensor, or if you need to replace it, here's the part number. And let me share with you guys on how easy it is to clean it. So here's my cleaner, and then what we're going to do is spray inside. Spray some there, spray some there, spray some there. The main goal when you're cleaning these sensors is to get to those wires. They're pretty thin, and that's what we're cleaning. We're not cleaning anything else. Do not spray mass airflow cleaner on the connector, just on these wires right inside here. And then just let it sit for about 10 minutes so it completely dries, and then you can reinstall it back into your Jaguar. That's how quick and easy it is to clean or change your mass airflow sensor on your Jaguar XJ X351. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I would really appreciate you guys hitting the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.